ever since the MTC opened, there's been a huge amount of interest across the manufacturing sector to explore opportunities in 3D printing. That's really been driven very hard by typical sectors like aerospace and automotive, so they're seeing some huge benefits in 3D printing. Today's all about trying to explore how those opportunities can be embedded into oil and gas, because we want to make sure that 3D printing isn't just for those typical sectors in aerospace and Formula One, but there's some huge potentials to be gained in other sectors, such as oil and gas, where the opportunities in 3D printing are very prevalent. The sort of challenges that oil and gas are seeing are things we've experienced in other sectors. So typical companies are trying to bring down lead times and cost in manufacture of parts, and it has a real advantage in especially making bespoke parts and complex parts that, again, we've seen aerospace really get a handle of over the last few years, and look at 3D printing as a viable opportunity to overcome those sorts of challenges. And the oil and gas sector is no different. So the sorts of things we're hearing today from industry players are the fact that they need to make some of these large, complex, bespoke parts and really drive down the costs in those manufacturing processes. And that's exactly where 3D printing can have huge advantages. The interest levels there, I think there's a fear factor in the industry at the moment that we need to overcome. And I think that's the prime opportunity that MTC and OGTC can achieve today, is by gathering the key industry stakeholders together over this 2-day workshop session. We can get the industry working as one and starting to overcome some of those mindset barriers and saying, actually, 3D printing can do what it says on the tin. It can help you redefine current manufacturing challenges, and we should see it start to take off in the future.